Hello, good morning. Have a blessed morning. Now you are watching Skandar Science Academy page, and I am your old teacher Sunil Butta. I am here with a new topic here, which is minor changing in indefinite tense, which may be belong to the present, past, and future. Now, my dear friends, we have to just focus on the one sentence, then we will change it into the other past and future. Now I will start the lecture. Present indefinite tense. Their structure formula I have also told you in flowchart diagram topic. Their formula is subject plus first form plus s or es with object. If you want to change it into negative sentence, then minor addition of the do or does will apply in it. Subject do does plus not plus first form plus object. If you want to make the sentence into interrogative, then do does will come at the front, then subject plus first form plus object. Question mark will also added at the last. If question mark is not added at the last of our formula and our real sentence, then the overall pattern and the line will be cut by the teacher. Now if we want to make interrogative negative sentence, then do does subject plus not plus. I have already told you that question mark is an important part in this formula and in the interrogative sentence. If we want to make why type questions, then why will come in the front. Same as usual formula number 3. Do does plus subject plus first form plus object question mark. Why do does subject plus not plus first form plus object. There are one point to remember in this sentence, which is related to the form of verb. If I have written that es or s is added to the first form, so my dear friend, I will told you a rule which is very old. If I will remember or read this point, then you will say that this thing is also noun by us. No, so my dear friend, this thing is that फेल की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ई और एस का इजाफा कब किया जाएगा. द आंसर इज दैट इफ द फॉर्म एंड विद द फॉलोइंग 7 words which is known as S, SS, SH, CH, XOZ. If the form is end by these letters, 7 words, then just little addition of S will be added. These 7 words are called warm by us, और उर्दू में इनको चमूना कहा जाता है. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड, सेम एज यूजुअल, अगर आपने पीछे वाले पैटर्न को अच्छे तरीके से देखा है तो माइनर चेंज इधर आएगा, जो कि ये है. पैटर्न में सब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकंड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. एज यूजुअल इधर भी सब्जेक्ट just first form change into the second form, which is in the past indefinite tense. There are little minor changes which take place in the sentences. If you are able to change these changes, then you will trap the complete tenses. Now same as usual formula, subject plus did plus not plus first form plus object. This is for the negative sentence and this is for the positive sentence. Positive sentence is demonstrated by P and negative sentence is demonstrated by N. If we want to make an interrogative sentence formula, then did is an helping verb which is used in the negative sentence. It come out in front, did plus subject plus first form plus object. So my dear friend, there is only one thing. Second form is only used in the positive sentence. Next step, first form, first form, first form, first form and first form. There is only positive sentence which is in the past indefinite tense only use second form in the first sentence. The other 5 sentences are with first form of object, first form of verb, sorry. Points to remember in past indefinite tense, मुस्बत जुमले में सिर्फ सेकंड फॉर्म का इस्तेमाल होगा. ओनली द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज़ विद द सेकंड फॉर्म. मनफी जुमले बनाते वक्त ही शी इट आई वी दे यू और वाहिद और जमा इसमों के साथ डिड नॉट इस्तेमाल होगा. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड, इन दिस सेंटेंस या यानी कह लें कि पैटर्न को चेंज करते वक्त इफ़ यू वांट टू comparison, make a comparison between present indefinite tense and past indefinite tense. There is a lot of things which are common, just a little minor change in this. The helping verb for the negative sentence are do, does in present and did in the past. I hope you will remind these things in your mind. Now we will move to the future indefinite tense. So my dear student or my friends, my viewers, future indefinite tense, same as usual, it is type of indefinite tense. There is one rule by me. If you remember or revise one indefinite tense, then you are able to do all indefinite categories, which is maybe present, past and future. The structure formula of the sentence is subject, which is used in all the following and previous sentences. In past indefinite tense, subject is in the first, then will shall. Will shall is an helping verb which is used in the future tense. First form plus subject. This sentence is much familiar to the present indefinite tense. Just little addition of the will shall in the between subject and first form, the future tense will be formed. Same as usual, other formulas are same. I will revise it for you. Subject, will shall plus not plus first form plus subject to make negative sentence. To make positive sentence, will shall plus first form plus subject. If you want to make an interrogative sentence, the formula will be will shall will come out subject plus first form plus subject. Same as usual, other formula are same in the previous session. The point of remembrance is that I we के साथ shall इस्तेमाल होगा. The shall will be used with the I and we, and the other pronouns are used with will. So my dear friend, subject, the common thing is that subject plus object. For present, we use first form in the center. The minor change will occur in the center. The minor change will occur in the center. For present, the formula is subject plus first form plus object. For make past, the minor change is second form of verb. Now, if we want to make in the future, so my dear friend, don't to be worried. The minor change will be helping verb will be added in our formula of present indefinite tense. Hopefully you will understand these minor changes. If you like this video or if you have any question about the floral formula and comparison formulas, then you can ask us by subscribing and direct commenting on this website or page. Hopefully you will understand the comparison of the whole formula. Stay blessed, stay safe. If you like this video, then press the thumb button. If you don't like this video, go to the button of unlike, which is given by us. We will try to improve our all quantities and provide you a good lesson. Stay blessed, stay safe, happy journey.